Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to be using Lambda function and also SNS notification to get emails about the price of Bitcoin when it exceeds a certain threshold. Thank you. $5,000 is about $95,000. So I'm going to set it to 95,000. Okay. So, and when it crosses the threshold, I'm going to get an SNS. I'm going to get an SNS notification in my email. So as you can see, my email is there is no new email. Yeah. So one of the first things we'll do is we'll create an SNS topic, right? We'll create a standard SNS topic that we'll call it BTC price, and we just create it. So when you create a topic, one of the things you create is a subscription. Yeah, and we're going to take note of this ARN, right? So we're going to use an email protocol, and we're going to use my email address. Feel free to put your own email address, right? So we'll create a subscription. Yeah, so when you create a subscription, we'll just refresh it. You discover that nothing is showing here. But if you check your email address, you discover that you've gotten a subscription confirmation. So what we just do is we click it, we confirm, and when we confirm, which we just did, we come back here and refresh. We discover that we have our status now is confirmed. So the next step will be for us to create a Lambda function. Ready, and if you check here, remember this is the ARN for our SNS topic, and our subscription is ready. So we can just come here, create a function, and we can call this function crypto alert function. So we can then choose Python 3, which is what we're using, and we create the function. So it's going to take quite some time, maybe about 10 seconds for us to create the Lambda function. So one thing we shouldn't forget to do is, so there's usually a default, Lambda Python code, but we're not interested in this, right? We're interested in our own code, which is what I have here. I have it here as a doc, but I also have it here as a text file. The document doesn't copy the indentation, so in order to just save me the stress, I just paste it here and go to the topic, go to the ARN, copy it, and replace it here. So when we replace this, okay, we want our threshold to be 590. Once the threshold is above 95,000 US dollars, we are going to get an alert. So what we do is we deploy our new function. Then we can write a test, right? We can call the test testing. So basically, we just want to just pass in an empty dictionary, right? And we test it to see what happens. So it's supposed to give us is successful execution. Oh, okay. It says that error tags timed out after 3 seconds. Yeah. The current price of Bitcoin is let us see, 95,205. Well, it's kind of close, but we don't know what's happening. So it's timing out after 3 seconds. So we can just see if we can change the execution time from 3 seconds to 10 seconds and see if that would solve the challenge. Okay, so we test it again. The same test. Let's see. Test. Oh, okay. It's telling us that no, because no identity based policy allows this. So that means there is a problem with the permissions. Okay, so that's what we're going to deal with now. So in order to solve this problem, we go to configuration. Remember, we are the test. So we go to configuration, go to permissions, right? So this is the role name for so we can click it. Right, we want to see if we have so this is the permission. So we can view it in JSON format. So for some reasons we can't. Yeah, for some reasons we don't have this particular function, SNS publish. So what we do is we can edit it, right? We can edit it. We say allow, say comma. Remember to. So we have something called SNS publish. SNS publish. I like to be careful with this. Publish. Okay. So we also come here and edit the ARN, which is what we have here in the SNS topic. So we copy the ARN. Copy the ARN from here. You copy the ARN from here or from here. I will attach it. I will attach it, but yeah. So you could copy the ARN. So basically that's what we do. We then copy the ARN, right, and paste it. So as you can see now, the when you say included, what's included is, you can see SNS. Before it was included, for it was only CloudWatch logs, right? So we just next and we save the changes. So when we save the changes, we come back here, go back to our test. We go back to our test. So we check to see that the test name is correct. We check to see that the test name is correct. So the test name, we just testing, then we just say, remember there was an error before, so we just test it and see what happens. So you see, it's green. There is, so we can come to discover that we have a notification that the price of Bitcoin is now 95,334, which is above 95,000, which was what our threshold was. So I hope this is helpful. I showed us how to create an SNS topic, okay, and how to create a Lambda function that will trigger, that will check the prices of Bitcoin in this case, using the CoinGeko API, and send us and use an SNS notification to send us an email. So you can see, so each time there is a price, we get an email. Before the price was, so each time there's a price, we get an email. So that's just it. Okay, so that's just it. I hope this video was very helpful. Basically, if there's any question you have, just feel free to ask. We have successful results. We could just go to the monitor to see what has happened in the last 1 hour. So if you observe, there have been 2 invocations. So this invocation was initially when I was practicing before I upload it on the video. Yeah, and this was this is the timing. Basically, this is the CloudWatch metrics. Yeah, so with this you can get details. For example, you want to know if if there were any throttles, if there are any concurrent executions. So basically, this is like a very beautiful way to view what's going on in your Lambda function. Yeah, so this is just it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, and I'll be trying to be posting more often weekly. We'll be doing more AWS tutorials. I'm going to be showing us problems we can solve. Thank you so much. Bye.